Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the leverage right here in Ctrader. And if you want to change the leverage, we can do this on two ways. Right now I just logged in here to my IC Markets demo account, and if I want to change my leverage, we go right here to settings, and this is the place where you can change the leverage. But right now he is saying to change any property of your trading account except for the account name, close all open positions and pending orders. So right now we are having right here a lot of orders. So now we click right here on close everything. So we do not this, but now we do this and then apply. And now we can delete this, delete this, delete this. And then right now, if you can see, if you go to settings, it's still not working. So this means that if you're creating a account to trade on another broker, so that means this is a trading account from IC Markets, then it's not possible. But if we go right here to Spotware, this is our own demo account that we just created, and we go to settings, it's still possible to change right here the leverage. So it also depends on the broker that you're using, but if you're using right here a web trader, you can change it exactly right here to 150 or whatever we like, and then click on apply. So these are the two ways how you can change the leverage right here on Ctrader. Hopefully this was the video we was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.